This is how to make WhatsApp sticker, or how to make sticker for WhatsApp or any other app you want to be using it for. So for iOS users, just go ahead and click on photos. When you click on photos, you can go ahead and just long press on the photo. For example, I'm going to be making sticker out of this, so I will long press on the photo, then release it. You're going to be seeing add sticker pop-up menu showing above the picture or whatever you are clicking. So you click on add sticker and it's going to automatically be added to your sticker menu. So you can add effects, you can rearrange it, you can also delete it if you want to. So for example, I've already done this, so I will be deleting it. So you can edit it however you want to. And then if you go to your WhatsApp now, if you open your WhatsApp, you're going to be seeing it appear on the top screen. So if this doesn't work for you, or this is not working for you, you can go ahead and follow the next step. This is for both Android and iOS users. So go to your App Store or Play Store, search for Sticker Maker Studio. I've already done that, I've already downloaded it just to save time, guys. So you click on open, click on create new sticker pack. When you do that, just name your sticker. I'm going to be naming this man, and then I'll name this sticker with okay. When you're done naming your sticker, you're going to click create, and then you click on what you named. So here you're going to be adding your icon, whatever you want to be representing your sticker. So when you do that, just click on gallery. So for example, I'll pick this, and then you click on select all and then save as sticker. So you click on page on one, click on the same thing, click on the picture and click on select all, save sticker. Do that again. So the problem with this is that you can only create 3 stickers at a time. You can't create just one. So you're going to be doing this 3 times. If you're going to be using this app, just do it 3 times just to save your time, guys. You can just go ahead and do it 3 times, and then you can go ahead and click on add to WhatsApp. When you click on add to WhatsApp, it might show you add, it might not show you add, but just go ahead and do as I said. Open your WhatsApp, and it's going to basically appear here on your WhatsApp. So you're going to just click on save, and you're done. So when you scroll down or look below your keyboard, you're going to be seeing the new sticker you just added. So you're just going to be clicking on that, and then it should automatically appear here. See you in the next video, guys. Stay safe.